Welcome to vein matching in iCounterSoft. On screen is a completed slab layout with vein matching applied to two slabs of Lago Verde marble. Vein matching matters for two reasons. First, it shows customers exactly how the stone will flow, building confidence and helping close sales. Second, it guides production clearly, reducing errors and costly mistakes. In this lesson, I'll show you how easy vein matching is in iCounterSoft. Let's start by preparing the slab images. Here's the raw photo of our Lago Verde marble slab, taken right on the factory floor. We're going to use this image for our vein matching. Back in the app, this is the countertop drawing we'll be working with. We'll overlay the countertops with the Lago Verde stone you just saw. Navigate to Step 5, then Slabs and Layout. We already have one slab, so let's add a second. Click Edit Slab, choose Add Slab Image, then click Upload Image from Device. Now simply drag and drop your image file here. Click Save. Next, crop the slab so only the stone remains. Just drag each side of the crop box to the slab edges. Save your crop. Repeat the process for the second slab. Now that we have both slabs overlaid with the beautiful Lago Verde marble, let's begin the vein matching process. First, click the Expand button to give yourself a larger view. Next, I'll move all the pieces out of the way so I can work with slab 1. I'll leave the U-shaped countertop. Click on the U-shaped countertop. Choose Edit Seams. We're going to add 2 corner seams. I'll place one here and one here. Then save. You can see the countertop is now split into 3 pieces. Let's move the small pieces out of the way so we have a clear view of slab 1. I'll move the right splash piece into position. Rotate it and place it in the upper right corner. The long countertop piece is next. Then I'll move the left countertop piece to the left to join with the long countertop piece. As these two slabs come from the same block of stone, their veins are naturally the same. I'll position the left splash piece to the left of the second slab. That should match. You can see how the veins match up in the preview on the right. Next, I'll position the top splash piece to the top of slab 2. Then the island piece right about here. Then finally, position the remaining right side countertop piece until its darker veins align with that of the splash piece. As you can see from the preview. That looks good enough. Of course, how you match the veins however you like depends on your customer's preference. Once you're happy with everything, click Exit Edit. Then save and exit to go to Quote View. Now that the layout is complete, you can also see the result in a couple of ways. Click the Material button to see how your fully vein-matched countertops look with the actual stone texture applied. Your customers can also see it in their quote too if you wish. Click Print Quote, choose your template, and scroll to the Visual Stone Layout section. Here, your customers will see a beautiful illustration of their vein-matched countertops. Let's cancel the print and return to the quote. A precise vein-matched layout not only gives your production team a clear visual guide, it also impresses customers with a stunning, high-end representation of their future countertops. It's one of the easiest ways to boost confidence, reduce mistakes, and increase your conversion.